Hi, my name is Tammy and I am opening my Zinzino box today. It is all about omega oils and boy, do I feel behind the times. I'm in my 50s and I don't know much about omega oils. My stepmom introduced me to it just a week ago. Now this lady's an amazing businesswoman. So I trusted her when she said, "You've got to see this." So I became a business partner with her. And because we were both learning, we didn't know what we didn't know. I really wanted the oils. I really wanted to see them make a difference in my husband's inflammation in his back and you know what? We're always needing extra brain health. So I was ready for that as well. So, we're doing an unboxing. I've never done an unboxing video, but this is gorgeous. Ooh, look at that. My Zinzino oils are here. Now, when I said I didn't know what we didn't know in the beginning is I got the basic kit. And there's 3 kits, the basic, the advanced, and the ultimate. Now, when I was visiting her house, she got the ultimate kit. Whoo, that box was huge. And this is much smaller, but I love how it came packaged. It's beautiful. The very first bottle I'm taking out is the serum. It's a face serum. I can't wait to try this. It's got shea butter and it has olea, fruit, calendula, sorry. I don't know. I have to study on this one. She said, she's already tried it. She said it's an amazing feel on the face. In fact, she even used a little too much her first time. So she knows that this serum is going to last a long time. I can't wait to try that. This is what I really wanted to share with you. This is called The Test. This company is all about testing supplements. And how do you know if they're even working if you're not testing? But one of the biggest things, they've done 1,500,000 tests already in the 20 years this company has been around, that they have found 97 to 98% of the population around the world are imbalanced. Their omega-6s are so high and their omega-3s are so low. They're running at this ratio of like 20 to 1, 25 to 1. Kids are being tested even up to about 40 to 1. Omega-6s are that much higher than the omega-3s. And what they're finding is omega-6s are important for inflammation, but the omega-3s are good for anti-inflammation. So our body needs both, but we're so out of balance, it's causing some problems, to say the least. So what they love to share is a test. And this test is going to prove if you are in balance or not in balance. And if the supplement they recommend for you is working. In fact, they're on that cutting edge of testing. It goes to an independent lab. You get tested from home. You do this test at home. I wanted to show you because I tested at my stepmom's house. You get a testing needle. It's a dry blood sample. You run your dry blood test right here on this paper. You put your test on here and it goes to an independent lab in Oslo, Norway. They run gabillions of tests. That's like the most premier testing center. So it's an independent lab and it comes back to tell you, are you in balance? Are you out of balance? Like I said, 98% of people around the world are so far out of balance that they need some supplement help. So they are on the cutting edge of testing. They also have a vitamin D test, and they also have a blood sugar test. And they project that that is going to be the wave of the future of testing how to know if your supplements are working and how much supplement you need, and is it making a difference? How many times have you gone into the store and bought a product hoping it is what it says on the bottle and not full of fillers, not full of sawdust? Did you see those tests? People were doing independent testing of product right off the shelf, and they're not coming back as pure. Now, don't you want to know if what you're buying is actually working? Oh, okay. So because I am now considered a partner, I'm a business owner with this company. They've given me a business book. Wow, about learning the products, how to get how they work. Ooh, that's lovely. A goal plan. Having an information meeting. I really plan how the business works. One of the things I learned just yesterday was that there's no monthly minimums for buying. When you become a subscription person, someone who's buying their products monthly, you get the best price. But you could just buy the products regularly. There's no annual fee. It's not like you become a member of something. You're just ordering something monthly. My husband's done that forever. He sees product out there and I want to try that. And he's automatically on a subscription. But this one's testing to know. These are called lookbooks. And this is going to be a great place. I thought I brought my lookbook out here. Here it is. And I've started taking notes in my lookbook on the prices of the products and how many credits are in the products. As a business person, you need to know these things. If you are wanting to get your product for free, you need to know those things. Ooh, what's this black? Ooh, love this. This is a contact book for business owners. I love this look. I think that's really beautiful. Okay. Now for the big reveal. This is why I'm starting this company. I have to know about their products. I have to know if they're going to make a difference. All right, here it is. It's called the Balance Oil. Balance Oil. This is omega oil. It's omega-3, but it also has vitamin D and premature olives. So they make an olive oil out of premature olives, and apparently that makes a big difference. So, I can't wait to taste this. So omega-3, EPA, DHA, DPA, omega-7, omega-9, vitamin D3 is in this blend. What else is in here? Olive oil with oleic acid, that's the 9, with olive polyphenols. Oh, that's right, the polyphenols. Did you realize that not all omega oils come with polyphenols? You have to have that combination for it to be working inside your body, right? So just because a product is, okay, here's your D3, okay, a lot of nutrients, vitamins, minerals, they need to work in synergy with another element. And here it's polyphenols. They've included that olive oil, the polyphenols, to the omega oil. and it makes a huge difference. I think it's 40 to 60, right? So 40% is the omega oil and the 60% is the olive oil. So I cannot wait to try that. This one's called Orange Lemon Mint. It comes in 4 flavors. So I think some of the other boxes I've ordered will show up with the other flavors. Now, it also came with a small bottle. And actually I've gotten 2 large, 2 small. And that's because if you are of a certain weight, then you need more of the product. If you are under a certain weight, and I think it's 150, I'm going to have to double check on that. If you are 150 pounds and more, then this is a monthly amount. If you are under, then this is just the monthly amount. So good to know. And what else is in here? Oh, dosage cups. Those dosage cups. And what's this last one? Oh, fancy. Fancy schmancy. The Zinzino shot. I love that. So this is a Norwegian company. They are in 100 different countries around the world. And I love that the US market is under a year old. So if you are looking for a program, a business that is new but established, this is it, right? Everybody's talking about omega oils. I was looking up a business name for myself, and there was tons of information out there. And I thought, how is it I've never seen this before? I've never been clued into the importance of omega oils. Now, I have family members with dementia, Alzheimer's, and inflammation, like my husband. They are really struggling. And the research on this omegas is huge. Like, I felt like I've been living in a cave or something. I never knew, well, that's how it is. You never know what you don't know. But now that it's on my radar, I can't wait to learn more. And I want to see the difference. I want to see a change. Feeling healthier overall, having better mental abilities. I've got to get into the research. I love getting into the science behind things. The other businesses I've been in, I love natural remedies. I raised my kids homeschool, trying to do things on the natural side. So this is going to be a perfect fit for our family. So thank you for watching my unboxing. I think I have maybe 4 other boxes coming in with other products because, well, you don't know what you don't know. I got the smaller kit not knowing how excited I was going to be, or the perks of getting the ultimate kit. It comes with 2 very big perks. One of them is that you can get your money back on the entire kit at the end of the year if you've kept up your subscription, or you find enough people that want this product as well, and you can get your product for free. And your customers too. I love this idea. Your customers can help people buy their own products as well. And whatever level you're at, saying you're just buying 1 bottle of oil, you found 4 other people who want a bottle of oil also, and they get it on the monthly subscription, your product is free. One last thing, I love this idea. It's a flat rate shipping. I think it's $9.95 flat rate shipping. And that goes back to you as product credit. It's cash for you to spend on more product. So don't ever feel like you are getting gypped this is such a great, accessible business to start. And I would love to walk you through that as I start this journey. I would love to see you start this journey as well to health and wellness and income producing. Let's talk business. I would love to help you along that journey as we do it together. It'll be so much fun, right? So thank you for watching. I appreciate your time. Hey, this is Tammy with Test Your Omega, and I can't wait to connect.